Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn onto how to add reviews to Shopify Store with Loox. So for this one, we're gonna guide you on how to import AliExpress reviews using the Loox product reviews and photos app for Shopify. So for you to be able to get started with that one, so what we'll need to do in here is we'll just need to do a quick overview first onto what is Shopify so that you'll have an overview or you'll have an understanding on what this website or platform is all about. So, Shopify is an e commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage online store. So, this was launched in 2006, and this has become one of the most popular and user friendly solution for building and running an online business. So, it offers online store creation, wherein it allows users to easily create their own customizable online stores without the need for extensive technical knowledge. Also, they have a product management wherein users can efficiently add, organize, and showcase their products on their Shopify store. It also have payment integration, order management, security and hosting since it also provides a secure and reliable hosting infrastructure, customization and theme for extensive customization of the storefront, and it is also available onto App Store offering a variety of plugins and apps that can enhance the functionality of the store. So it also have mobile responsiveness, SEO and marketing tools, and customer support. So you could also see the point of sale in here, when it's a flexible point of sale to power your retail store. And here are some of its built-in marketing tools. So you could reach new labels, engage with customers, and the data you can build on. So you could also streamline your back office by clicking on to manage your business in here so that you could oversee the operations, fulfill every order, manage your own money where you make it, and also you could meet the people who chooses Shopify onto their website in here. So there are also some of the reviews in here, and for you to be able to get started with this, so just a summary onto all of that. It is a comprehensive e-commerce solution that empowers businesses of all sizes to create, manage, and grow their online presence with ease. And it is a user-friendly interface, robust features, and scalability make it a popular online choice for entrepreneurs and established business alike. So for you to be able to get started, you actually have different pricing for that. So we could go ahead and view the different pricing that it offers, but actually there is also a free plan that you could just choose in here, or you could just start for a free trial first if you're just starting out. So here are the different plans. We have the basic, which is the most popular. This is for most individuals and small businesses, starting at $25. The Shopify for small businesses, when you could go ahead and level up your business with professional reporting and more staff accounts at $65. In advance for medium to large businesses, when you could get the best of Shopify with custom reporting, and onto the lowest transaction fees at $399. Here are some of the features or inclusions for that, and you could compare the different plans in here. So these plan or these features are available onto all of the plans: an online store, a sales channel, point of sales, 24/7 support. And if you want to go ahead and create your account, just click on to start free trial and follow in the prompts onto creating an account. And if you have an account already, just simply click onto login so that you'll get redirected onto the dashboard. So this is what the dashboard is all about. So if you're just new like me, you'll see a setup guide here onto the home section where you could add in your first product, customize your online store, add a custom domain, and name your store. So you could also see the orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts in here. And we also have the different sales channel in here. You can see the online store and the point of sale. So we're gonna go ahead here onto the online store in here, since we'll need to install something for us to be able to proceed. Now, as you can see here onto the online store, you could see the themes. So this is where the customization of your website happens, the blog post, pages, navigation, and preferences. And first, to be able to proceed onto installing the thing that we're going to use, onto importing the different reviews, is we're going to go ahead and click onto add apps in here. So these are the different apps that you could integrate with your Shopify store. And we need to click onto Shopify App Store in here, scroll down at the bottom so that we could find more apps. So we're going to go ahead and try to search for the product in here. So this is the store. So there are also some popular stores that you might like, the sponsored app, and the trending this November. So we're just going to utilize the search bar in here so that it would be easier for us. And we're going to go ahead and type in here Loox product reviews and photos. So this is the one that we're going to use. So we're going to go ahead and click onto that one so that we could go ahead and add this or install this onto our Shopify store. So as you can see, This is its a name, Loox product reviews and photos, and from $9.99 per month, there is a 14-day free trial for that, and additional charges may apply. So there is a quick overview onto their YouTube video in here. Also the highlights. So these are popular with business like yours, built for your business. There's also an about this app in here. Also some details and the pricing of the specific app and some of its reviews. So here are some of what the merchants thinks about this and some of the apps that are also built by Look. So we're gonna go ahead and try to click onto install in here so that it would go ahead and prompt us to install this. So we're just gonna wait for this. And then right after that, we're just going to go ahead and agree to share the personal information with this app, view the developer's privacy policy in here as well before installing this one. So this app needs access to customer and stores information and edit customer and store information. And we're going to go ahead and click on the install app here onto the upper part. And then we'll wait for this one to be finished. And as you can see in here, since we're just starting out, we could go ahead and try to use Loox for free. So as long as your store is password protected and on the Shopify free trial, you can use Loox for free. So once you unlock your store or end your Shopify trial, they will email you and ask you to choose a plan in order to continue using this platform. So only at that point, you'll start using your free Loox trial. So we're going to go ahead and use a Loox free for now. So right after that, it will gonna go ahead and welcome you to Look, and it will ask you or help you to set up since you're just starting out. So we're gonna click on to continue. You could also get started by enabling the Look score script on your Shopify theme. You're gonna go ahead and click on to add Look's theme in here. And then right after, it will go ahead and get you redirected onto the customization part. So you can see, we need to make sure that this one is turned on. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto this one. So make sure it's showing a color so that it will also indicate that it was been added. So as you can see in here, we're gonna go ahead and click onto save for that one. So that right after, we're gonna go ahead and click onto save in here. So you can see it is verifying since we've gone ahead and already added that. We're gonna go ahead and click onto continue. We could go ahead and add the widgets to your store. Click onto that, and you don't have to worry since there is actually a video guide in here and also a step-by-step guide on how to do that. We're just gonna go ahead and follow it. Just click onto its links so that it will go ahead and automatically redirect you onto which part you needed some customization. So right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to. So you'll just need to go onto this part in here, onto the app section, and you need to have this one added. So if you're not seeing this, you'll just need to click onto add block in here and click onto this one so that it would be automatically added onto your design. Then right after, just click on save and head back onto your store. Now right after clicking onto next, it will ask you your store's primary language. Click onto English, make it pop also, customize the color in here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on to continue, and then right after, it will also ask you when it should ask for reviews. So you'll just need to fill this one out as per your liking. And then also, as you can see, they also encourage customers to show off their new purchase and return to make another one. So you could offer a discount for submitting photo and video reviews for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on to continue, and that's just it. On to setting up your referrals program, and click on to continue in here. We have the referral discounts and reward. So you'll just need to go ahead and follow in the prompts for that one to be finished. And once everything is all set, you'll just need to go ahead and click on to import now to go ahead and import the different reviews. So as you can see in here, this is a step on to do that. You'll just need to drag the import to Loox button to your bookmarks bar. Go to AliExpress product page if you want to import the reviews from. Click the import Loox button on the bookmarks bar. So this is just how you do that one. So as you can see, we'll just need to follow the instructions for that, and we're going to go ahead to AliExpress in here if you have an AliExpress already account, so that you could go ahead and try to move in the different reviews that you have onto your account onto your Shopify store. So you'll just need to follow this one out and do all of the steps so that you could go ahead and successfully import the different reviews that you want to see onto your Shopify store. And that's just basically it onto importing AliExpress reviews or adding reviews onto your Shopify store using the Loox reviews and photos. And if you want to go ahead and if you learned something regarding this matter, you'll just need to hit the like and also subscribe, and we'll see you onto your next video.